Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm getting ready to go for a ride with my buddy Rick and Joe. Is my microphone on, guys? Hey, it's not on. What the heck? Let's fix this. Woo! Now we're cooking with fuel. Alright, we'll try that again. So I was about to say that I'm going out with my buddy Rick and Joe to go for a ride, and let me get loaded up here. So, yeah. You know, the purpose of today's ride, I reached out to my buddy Rick a few days ago and said, hey, you know, I'd really like to go for a ride with you again and test out your new bike. Now, if you didn't see the video, Rick has a new bike. He came over a couple months ago, and I had a chance to ride it. Fell in love with it. Just an amazing bike. He has the Furious brand. Furious. Let's see, it was called the EMX Ultimate. It's a 60 watt or 60 volt bike, dual motor, dual battery, super powerful, a lot of fun to ride. And so I said, you know, I really want this thing. This is like my dream bike. This is everything I've wanted. So I thought, you know what, I may have to buy it. And I typically don't buy bikes because I get plenty of them, right? I get a lot of bikes, but I've never gotten one that was just everything that I really wanted, right? And so I'm thinking it's worth to spend the money to go and get exactly what I want as a bike, to be my everyday rider, something I'm going to take with me everywhere I go, you know, when I'm out riding like this. So I've been in contact with the company, but, you know, respectfully, it's a small company, like a one-man shop, I think, kind of deal. And then I'll typically give out bikes to influencers, or, you know, work with influencers and give them deals and stuff. And I respect that. So we've been going back and forth for a while. And, you know, he finally told me that because I'm going to be making a lot of videos with this bike, that, you know, he might be able to work out a discount for me. So we're trying to work that out. And if I can get something off on it for my efforts of promoting it, I'll do that. But either way, I was thinking about really pulling the trigger and just buying this thing. Yeah. So that's the purpose of today's ride. I'm going to go out there and ride this bike again. See if I still like it as much as what I did the first time. But it's a new day. And now I'm having second thoughts whether or not I'll do that. Because, respectfully, I don't need another bike. So I don't need to spend the money for another bike when I have plenty of bikes to ride. A lot of good bikes, a lot of good brands, a lot of good models. Just none of them have exactly everything I personally would like, but we can always have what we want in life, right? So I'm okay with that. I got a lot of good bikes to ride, so I'm starting to have second thoughts. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Either way, it's a good excuse to get out and ride because I got to get away from the house here. I don't know what the last time was. I was actually looking out. It's been a couple months. Yeah, so it's been a couple months. I've been sick for almost a month. What's that rubber band doing up there? So I did get out yesterday with my buddy Raj, and we went for a shorter ride. And that was the first time since I got sick. But I was sick. Right about Christmas time I got sick. Oh my goodness. And it was just really nasty cold virus going around, and most people around here that's been catching it, it's been holding on to it for like 3 or 4 weeks. So I don't know if you guys have experienced that or not, but that's what we've been experiencing around here. But I wanted to feel a little bit. I don't know. I thought I was on the tail end of it a couple of times. And I started to feel better, and then a day or so later, whack, it came back and hit me again. So yesterday's ride was pretty good, but I noticed I got out of breath really quick because I'm still not 100%. So today's ride is going to be a lot longer. I'm probably going to be throttling a lot, taking it easy on myself because I just don't want to overdo it again. But it is what it is. Hey, you know what? I forgot to get my wheel straps out. So I typically have an extension on the truck that keeps all this further out, that allows me to put my tailgate completely down. And I wasn't thinking this morning when I grabbed the rack and put it on the truck, I didn't put my extension on. So now I can't lower my tailgate too easily. But I can still get in there and find my wheel strap. And then this one. No. Oh no. I cleaned out my truck recently, reorganized, and now I don't know where anything's at. You ever do that? Think you're organizing and straightening up, keep moving some stuff around, then you forget where you put everything. This is tools. Put my straps in here. Where are my straps at? I don't think they're in this bag. There they are. Yeah, I got a couple new bags, organized some stuff that is just rolling around in the back of my truck. There they are. And that's the long one. I don't need that. Those are too long, guys. There's a short one. I'm dropping inside the truck. Oh gosh, I grabbed the wrong one. Another one. I'm trying not to get soaking wet over here by leaning up against the truck because it is soaking wet from all the running dew. Alright, we'll organize that. It's not so wet. Now I'm getting drenched. Let's close this back up. I like this cover. Oh my goodness, but it's a little heavy after a while. Alright, so I'm just going to throw these on the wheel just to make things a little extra safe. Just because it's a good idea. Sometimes we do things just because it's a good idea, right? Sometimes we do things because we think it's a good idea and it turns out to be a bad idea. I love those situations too. I got my bike off, I got my bag in there already. I got the bike charged up, so we should be good to go. We should be good to go for today's ride. I'm going to go out to, we're going to go out to Anna Maria Island. Yeah, Anna Maria Island almost got wiped out by the hurricane. And things are somewhat cleaned up out there now. You can get around and everything just fine. So we're going to go riding out there. Check it out. See if things got badly destroyed or not. Yeah. I've still got neighbors in the neighbor on this side still waiting for a new roof. The neighbor on this side is waiting for a new roof and siding on the side of her house. And that hurricane was 4 months ago. That's how it is. Takes a long time. Let's see what else we need to do. I think I need to grab my helmet. Put my helmet in before I forget it. Yeah. Whoop. There you go. Grab a helmet. Oh, so I'm going to take some camera gear with me. Got my camera all charged up, so I'm going to take my chest mount, my camera, and do some recording while I'm out riding today. See if we can make a video from that. Helmet, snackaroos. Oh, that's what I'm missing. Snackaroos, camera, keys. I need those keys. Or I think they're in the truck. They should be in the truck. I'll get to my rack, get everything unlocked. I have the keys for my bike lock on the same key ring. Let's see if it's in there. I better check just to make sure. Yeah, it doesn't hurt to make sure. I can get someone in there. I do. Keys. I got the keys to my quicker rack, keys to my bike lock, keys to my storage unit, and the hitch pin lock. And yeah. Those are with me. What else is going on? So, what time is it? What time is it? What's my phone say? Oh, I can't see it when my camera's turned on. Alright, I probably need to get going here shortly, so I think I'm going to wrap that up because I'm sure there's something else I'm doing. I'm too busy talking on the camera and I can't remember what I'm doing, right? You gotta love that. Hey, I got a buyer for the, did you see my video? Let me take you with me. Did you see my video about the test ride I did on the fat tire reverse trike? After we got it repaired and everything's good to go on, and I took it for a little test ride and made a video. I've still got to do the review video for that bike, but I've already had a viewer reach out to me, and we made a deal. He's going to buy it, so he's going to come pick it up hopefully this weekend. He lives about 3 hours away or so. So happy that a viewer is going to get one of the bikes. So that's out of here. We got rid of the rickshaw yesterday. So yeah, the rickshaw has been parked down in my buddy Ron's house because I just haven't had the room. And I kind of hated to get rid of it because it was so unique. But the reality is we just didn't use it much. Didn't really use it at all. And so I just can't justify holding on to stuff for a long time if I'm just not going to use it. So sold the rickshaw yesterday. And so that 630 is going this weekend. And yeah, I still got this one. I've got someone that tried to come see it, made an appointment, they didn't show up, that kind of deal. But they made another appointment, they want to come see it. I think the appointment's for tomorrow to get this, take a look at the skinny tire version of the 2 front wheel. Yeah, so I might be getting rid of that one. What else we have to get rid of? Soon I'll be selling this, in case you're in the area and you're interested. Soon, going on the market will be this Muck Pit. This is the Muck Pit step wagon. Yeah, cargo style, but not until I do a review comparison video with the new electric. Guess who's gonna win? Yeah, yeah, it's one of those kind of deals. No comparison. Let's see. I sold the radio flyer back here to a gentleman who came. He gave me a deposit. I wasn't expecting that. I thought he was coming to pick it up. He showed up. He didn't speak English very well. He liked it. He wanted it. He handed me, a small deposit and said, "I'll be back in 2 weeks. Is that okay?" And I typically don't do that, but I helped him out. I said, "Sure." So he should be coming back by this weekend. So that'll be out of here. So we're finally freeing up some space. Hey, the Happy Run G70. I still need to do the review video, but I'm not keeping that one very long at all because that's not my style. I can't ride it. I'm just too tall. Don't like it. So if you're interested in a fast moped style, that's going to be coming up for sale real soon. What else is coming up for sale soon? I think that's it. Yeah, that's probably all I'm getting rid of for right now. So if you're interested in anything like that, reach out to me and we will work something out. Woo. Yeah, we'll try to work something out. Well, now you're looking at the ceiling. What's up with that? Let's see. What other things real quick? I think that's it. This video's getting kind of long. Oh, my camera's lopsided. I'll just look at you like this. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. So I'm going to have to go ahead and finish the prep here so I can get gone, get on the road, and got to put Toby in the house, that sort of thing. And maybe we'll get some good video footage today, and I'll be able to put out another video because my videos have been really sparse here recently. I used to put out 1 video, sometimes 2 a day. Whew, that was busy times. I don't know if we'll ever get back to that point, but 1 a day for sure. But yeah, but since I've been sick, I haven't been making many videos at all. But I'm starting to feel better, and it stopped raining, so the sun's shining. So that's what you have to look forward to. Make sure you stick around, so make sure you subscribe. If you're new here, comment down below. Like if you so choose. I'll see you in another video real soon. See you later.